What is up, guys? My name is Ethan. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today, we are going not anywhere, but going to a magical place. Well, not really magical. Wish I could do that. Nope. Oh, what am I doing? So, guys, if you guys put in any comments in my video right now, and I'll open that box. I'll open that box if you put a thumbs up. So, yeah. Alright, let's do this. We're gonna open some Halloween cases. Alright, starting off with the blue. Dang blues. Throwing tracksuit. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna open every case here. I'm gonna move that way up here, just so. A head full of hot air. Okay, we just tried all these in. Oh, I think you guys already see it. If you don't, I have a unusual, which is that right there. I'm gonna put in all my copies. What? Let's do it. Alright. Sorry if this has bad words in it, because it has bad words in the actual game. Sorry I haven't been talking much. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Well. Do you guys think I'm gonna get unusual in this? We're gonna save that case to see if we get an unusual out of this one, or probably the other one. Let you guys hear the music. It's copyright. You guys could see it, but you can't hear it. Alright, is it done? It is. You guys think we should open the other one? Do you guys know how you live stream? Please tell me how in the comments below. Oh, it has in it, like unusual. So I thought it was like, no way, is that unusual? But I didn't see the stars. Wait, cut it, no, stop talking. I'm doing a video. How dare you interrupt? Oh, that was just my not video, oh my, that's my brother. Alright. Oh, that's like a kitchen type one. Dun, 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 dun. You get some good stuff out of the first case. And we have like Mayflower cases. No, I said Wild West. I thought it had a strange word unusual on it. Can we get a strange at least? Okay. You guys, let's open this one. Nice. We gotta get Nightfall ready. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this. I can't let you guys hear it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I don't want that game. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a comment and a like, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye!